Today, we're going to show you how to set up your heart rate zones, helping you get more accurate data during your workouts. Let's get started. First, tap Device to access the menu. Navigate to User Profile. Heart Rate Power Zones. Enter the heart rate zones and enable the Auto Detection option to allow the watch to automatically detect maximum heart rate, threshold heart rate. You can also manually adjust the auto-detected values as needed. To do this, return to the previous page and select Heart Rate. Go to Zones and tap on Based on. The device will automatically allocate the 5 heart rate zones based on the chosen parameter. You can set the zones based on different parameters such as a percentage of your maximum heart rate reserve, or lactate threshold heart rate. If you have specific sports profiles, choose Sport Heart Rate. Select Add Sport to set up and select the corresponding profile to configure separate heart rate zones. Repeat these steps for each sports profile if you have multiple ones. Thank you for watching. We hope these steps help you correctly configure your smartwatch. For better workout performance and more accurate data tracking exercising, for more help please go to support.garmin.com.